Hello, and I'm going to show you how to change your image size on Photoshop. Now there's two ways to do this, either the drop-down menu or the actual hotkeys on the keyboard. Now I'm on a Mac, so if you were to hit Command Option I, you see the menu here pop up and you can change it to different sizes. And if you use this drop-down menu, you can change your preference to inches or pixels. You just hit OK and you choose your size. You can also go up to the top here and hit image size, and that same drop down menu comes up and you can still go ahead and change your size. So if I were to change this to 720 by 720, you would see that it would change, and then by that same menu, image size, you can change that right back to the original size photo. Thank you. I hope you guys liked the video, and make sure you subscribe for easy tips in Photoshop.